The following segment is sponsored by CDL Electric.
It's always great to be at CDL Electric in Pittsburgh, Kansas, and today it's my honor to present to them the award for Best Heating and Air Company in our 4 States Finest Awards, and here to accept it is Bob Hawkins. Congratulations, Bob.
Thank you, and thank you to all our customers for voting for us, and hopefully we can include or continue to serve you.
You guys obviously have a great reputation. Heating and air is one of many things you do, but let's focus on this topic for today. Let's talk to our viewers about how the supply chains are kind of affecting your business and what they can do to extend the life of their current unit.
So yeah, supplies, parts are harder to get, but if we can do planned service or maintenance on your equipment this year, this would be the time to do it. For one, to extend the life of your unit. 2, to give us a chance to find a part that's failing, maybe get it coming our way before it actually fails to where you don't have cooling.
And I know you guys are doing a lot too with the energy efficiency and you know, just as things kind of move into a greener world, so to speak. Talk to us about some of the things that's going on in that world.
Sure. Yeah, the EPA is going to come out with some new efficient standards coming our way in the next couple of years. So we're not going to have a choice but to increase them. And it's only going to benefit the consumer as energy rates are going up, gas, electric, both. So it's coming.
Yeah, for sure. Anything else that our viewers should know as we kind of head into spring about, you know, just how to be smart with their heating and air systems?
If you got the hose outside, wash your air conditioner. I mean, the cleaner you can keep it, the better it's going to run, and you know the cooler it'll stay. So.
Good tip. Bob, thanks again. Congratulations. CDL Electric, winner of our Best Heating and Air Company.
The preceding segment was sponsored by CDL Electric.